Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we will learn how to build a budget tracker app. So we will be using rocket.new. Okay, so rocket.new. So we will see how this AI works basically. So I got my prompt here. I will paste the prompt. So as you can see, this is a build a minimal budget tracker app. Okay, so I will publish this on Android. Okay, and in the future I will publish this on iOS as well, so you can go and check like the progress, the downloads and everything. Okay, so it will be free to download basically. Okay, so you can see the core features will be the show income. Okay, show income, expenses, balance, and recent 5 transactions. Okay, and then we have like the amount category, the income, expense, date and type. Okay, so we also have all transactions with delete option, simple pie chart showing expense categories. Okay, and the set monthly budget, which is I think very cool. All right, so the design will be the purple theme, and it's gonna be a clean and minimal bottom nav. Okay, which is quite user friendly. Okay, and focus on speed and simplicity. Make data entry take 5 seconds. Okay, so this is our prompt. Okay, so I am already logged in, and let's click on publish. So now what's going to happen is the rocket.new is going to gather all this information, and step by step it will start building. So you can see now, so basically we have to the specify actually what we want. Okay, so I am looking for a mobile app. Okay, so I will confirm that, and rocket.new actually will uh, come up with the most optimized tech stack. Okay, so we will see. Yeah, as you can see, it says it's gonna built in with Flutter. Okay, with Flutter, the good thing with Flutter, when you build it, the app will work on both platforms, iOS and Android. So that's the very cool thing about Flutter technology. Okay, so you can see now it's preparing context, and we will see how long it's gonna take. All right, so now we have to decide our screen. So we have a splash screen, home screen, add, transaction screen, transaction list screen, and statistics screen. Okay, so select the screen you wish to build from the list below. Take token consumption is directly related to the number of screens generated. So I hope, because I am on a free plan, but I will I'm planning to upgrade basically. So let me build all of them. Okay, because oh wow, so tokens will be exceeded. So what we can do: splash screen, home screen, transaction screen. Okay, statistics we will. Okay, so we have to build basically 3 screens. So far we can build 3 screen with the free plan, but I will eventually upgrade it. So okay, what I can do, I will upgrade it. Okay, I will upgrade it now, and I will continue with the video, because I really want to build a complete app which I can publish on App Store, and you guys can go there and use the app. Okay, so this is basically what I want. All right, so I have upgraded my plan. So now I got a premium plan. Okay, so what we can do, I'm gonna check all these screens here, and we have now all these screens. So I will click on build my app. So hopefully this app will be great build, so we can publish that on App Store. Okay, so get notified when it's ready. All right, so it's going to take about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so as soon as this one is finished, I will come back. All right, so the 5 screens are done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and now it is actually working on the code. So if we can go to code area, so you can see it's loading up. It says I will be done in a moment, so I think we are nearly there. Okay, so finger crossed, hopefully our app comes out well, so we can publish it on app store. There is a one-time fee for Android app store, but it's not the case with the Apple iOS app store. Unfortunately, you have to pay like $100 per year, which I don't know why. Okay, but Android app store I think is a very good deal. uh, I mean, I think you should be able to. Okay, I can understand to have a one-time fee, but every year, I mean, in the end, you are making them money. Okay, of course, we are making money, but we are making them money as well. So I think it should be like one-time fee. But anyways, let's see. All right, so our preview is almost done. It is now generating the preview. Okay, so you can see we are here now on iPhone 14 Pro, and then we also have Samsung Galaxy S3. So we will be publishing this today on Android. So after this video is done, you can basically search and you will find this app. Okay. Okay, so this is how it is. It called like budget tracker. Okay, and it's a very nice screen, by the way. You can see income is this. This is all examples basically. So if I go to transactions area, so these are the transactions statistics. Very nice, very nice. I really like it. And this is the home screen. Okay, of course we need to create an icon for it as well. Okay, so but let's see how it works first of all. And let's see if I click on add. Let's say I have spent today, let's suppose, uh 5. Something went wrong, we encountered an okay, so there is an error. Okay, uh okay, so basically what we have to do, we have to integrate, of course, the database. Okay, so okay, so what is this? This is okay, these are all the screens basically. So integrate superbase. Okay, so I will click on that. Yes, so we have integrations here at the moment. Ongoing process, please wait for a moment. Okay, no problem. Connect with superbase. Okay, so we can click on connect, and we will okay, my email is showing up here. Let me see. Okay, so we have to authorize this. Okay, so authorize rocket. So we will create a new project. So I will call this budget tracker. Okay, budget tracker, and the password we can have it, for example, let me create a password. What password should I create? So this is our password, and we will actually create with, for example, Ireland, or maybe we can do here, let's say we can do connect with, okay, we can connect with London. Okay, so we can create a new project. So our database is connected. Okay, and now what we can do, basically we can click on add. So we will say £5, 500. This is transport. Okay, again there is a problem. So what we can do, complete the app as some functionality is not working. Okay, so I will enter that, and let's see what is the issue. So I mentioned like complete the app, okay, as some functionality is not working. So now I think it will make sure it completes everything, okay. All right, it has completed 6 more files, okay. So let's see. I hope this time is gonna work, okay. And I will double check it. I will double check with the I will double check in the end, okay, with like a full test, okay. So we are 100% sure like it is working now, okay. So yeah, initializing. So okay, so here we are. If I go back, okay, so this is the home screen. Let's see. So I will add 5.00 transport. Date is January 17. Okay, it's fine. And click on save. So that's been saved. And what next? So it got stuck. Nothing can be done. Reload. Okay. So now I like to uh, complete the full app, all screens, including login screen, etc., and make sure the app is production ready. So I can upload the app to Google uh, Google Android Store. So hopefully now we have complete app. Okay, hopefully this time it will finish the app completely. Okay, I will complete your budget tracker app with authentication screens and make it production ready for Google Play Store deployment. This will include login, sign up screens, proper authentication flow, and all the necessary production optimization. Okay, so now we are building a complete app. Okay, so I mean, so far I like it really. To be honest, is as you can see, the colors and everything is very nice. If I click on a single screen, I cannot see actually anything. Maybe there is nothing. There is no single screen. I think yeah. So this is the statistics. Basically, I really need this app for myself. Okay, because I really want to track my income, my expenses, and all that, so I can make better decisions. Because sometimes I don't know how much money I'm spending on food, transport, or drinks, or whatever. Okay, so it's very very important to have this kind of app. Okay, where you can track all your expenses. So at the moment, Rocket is working on our request, and we have to wait a little while. And hopefully, within like couple of minutes, this will be done, so we can actually ship it to the Google App Store. Okay, and 100% I will also upload this to iOS App Store as well. Okay, so um, in the next video I will show you the, I mean, for some reason if you can't find this app, I will show you the app on the App Store, so you will know actually which one it is. I will show you the icon. I will create icons and everything for it. So I mean, this is very very interesting time. I mean, I cannot even believe this is possible. Like if you go back few years back, I am just totally shocked basically that now we can build apps like with no time, so quickly. So I don't think you have any reason whatsoever not to build apps like your ideas and all that. Okay. So it is still working. Okay. So let's see how many tokens we have consumed so far. So can you believe it? Token balance now 2.4 million. I mean, this is unbelievable. It is just with the $25 per month. These tokens are not enough. More than half tokens are gone. Okay. So I think you can just build like maybe one solid app. Okay. Once per month. So maybe hardly two apps. So yeah, hopefully we will manage to build this app completely. Okay. With no problems. So I mean, this way now I mean, you know that like $25 per month is not enough to build one solid app. So basically, you need to pay $50 per month. Okay. And with Bolt, I mean, with this rocket.new, the good thing is it has all these integrations. Okay. So I mean, it makes your life very, very easy to basically implement all this. And unlike if you use, for example, Gemini or some other coding tools, okay, like Cursor, you really have to do this manually, okay. But with the rocket.new is a bit but is a bit more expensive, but it's very easy to implement all these integrations, okay. So let's see how much we have. As you can see now, we have now 1.6 million tokens left. I mean, I am really surprised basically. I mean, this is very expensive, and then it has like buy more button there. But I'm really, really hoping I will not actually leave this for next month. I really want to ship this at least one app, okay? Because my goal is to. I thought like I could have make like 2 3 videos with this premium subscription, because I really like it, but it's too expensive. But still, I will keep it and I will make more videos on it. But of course, I hope that we have more tokens. Okay, so okay, I am really hoping like it's gonna finish. So visibility, I want to make this private. This action will delete public profile of your app. You can again publish this app as private app. After that, only you can you okay. Okay, I mean leave it. Just leave it as public. I don't want to break things. Okay. So hopefully this will be done sooner or later, because I'm thinking hopefully it's gonna finish off. So the platform is quite good. As you can see, the preview screen is very nice, and it I mean it's the even the UI is very, very solid. Okay. So it's quite nice, but it's super, super expensive. And let me see. You can see, can you believe this? Look at that. I mean, we are almost done with our tokens. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. We are almost done. Not with even 5 million tokens, we managed to complete the app. So it looks like it might not be able to complete it. Hopefully it does, because otherwise it will be very disappointing. And because at least you should be able to build at least like 3 to 5 apps physically, you know. So if I went with like $50 per month, I would have get like 10 million tokens. But it looks like even 10 million is not enough. Okay. All right. So now again it says 2.8 million tokens balance. So I don't know why it go back to this, but I will see. Push to superbase. Okay. This is the demo. Use demo credentials. Sign in. Okay, login failed. Okay, so push to superbase. Critical for Play Store launch complete before submission. Add error recovery system. Integrate Google Analytics. Well, Google Analytics, okay, we can integrate a bit later. Add error recovery system, okay, critical for Play Store to launch complete production readiness before submission. Allow me to, okay, implement the error handling. Okay, I don't know how long this gonna take. We still have 2.8 minutes, so I don't know what went wrong. It's a bit confusing. And let me see if this is gonna work. Okay, that one worked. This is a demo. And then we have this one, okay. So 5.00 transport, and we save this one. I hope now this will go away. Okay, now this is not going away. Why this is not going away? I think I have to click somewhere. All right. So basically what I can do, I can take a screenshot and I will mention like after submitting the value, I get stuck on this check mark. So let's see if it's gonna fix this one. Okay, this is how you can take screenshots and you can actually pass to rocket.ai. Okay, I can see the issue after submitting a transaction. You are getting stuck on the success checkmark screen instead of navigating back. Let me fix this transaction submission flow bug. So you see, this is the thing. Basically, you really have to test it throughout. You have to test every functionality. I thought with this platform rocket.new, I thought actually the margin of errors is quite low. Okay, this is what I thought. I was assuming, but I was wrong. So basically you have to test the whole app before you submit to the app store. Okay, so this is of course, I don't know why I was assuming that, because when you build with cursor and everything, you have to test everything up. But with this platform, I was thinking for some reason that everything will work out well. So I was totally wrong. Okay, so I will actually test it out again and let's see how it goes. I'm keep checking my tokens. Basically now it's 2.7 token balance. Okay, 2.7, that's the balance. So I don't know why it's going up. It's a bit confusing. Okay, so if you guys know like what's going on, let me know in the comment. Okay, so this video is getting a bit longer, but it's okay because I really want to test myself this platform. So I thought I can share with you. Okay, so we can actually see it together what is going on. So you can see we have this now screen. We can click here and then I can put like, for example, I have spent like $5 on the transport. I click on transport and again I am getting this screen. So this is now getting a bit not good, but I'll see another error. So let me see. I can see you're getting error when trying to submit transaction. Let me fix the transaction submission error handling and ensure proper connectivity with Superbase. So yeah. So this is how it is. It's not like, I'm sure you have watched so many YouTube videos and then you can see like everything work out precisely, but those were edits basically, edit videos. So basically you really have to go through and fix all these bugs. Okay, test everything and before you publish. It's not like you can bid like this amount of dollar in like 10 minutes or in like 30 minutes. This is not true. So basically you have to really test. Okay, You have to really connect, and there is a lot to it. Still, you can't say like 5 minutes or 15 minutes. You can say like maybe 3 to 4 hours. Okay. uh, you really have to test it. You can't just publish crap and then get rejected. Okay, so yeah, so let's see how long it's gonna take, because you can see this video is not really like to get views or something. I really want to show you the whole process, like what's going on, how the token system works, what's going on with the app. Okay, the functionality of it. Okay, so you really have to test before you publish anything on App Store. All right, now we have 2.1 million tokens left. So I don't know what's going on. Before it was saying like 850k, something like that, but now it's 2.1 million. So also I have noticed there's a contrast issue. As you can see, the text here is black on a black background, so there is a contrast issue. Okay, so I thought basically I can publish this today. I can actually complete it today and I can publish it on the App Store, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. So of course, I mean, by the time you finish this video, everything will be up on App Store, and I think I need to take more time basically to make sure this app works absolutely perfectly with the icons and graphics and all that, and then I publish it so you guys can go and download. Okay, so yeah, so it takes time. Okay, it takes time, and now we have 2 million token left. 3 million tokens are gone, and still our app is not function. Okay, so now if I go back here, I can click on let's say 500. I click on transport, and again I got the same issue. So I don't know what's going on. Add recurring transactions, and okay, so let me reload this. Use last use category will be remember fast interest. Okay. Your last use of 5.00. Transport. Save. Let me see. I can click save and full screen. Full screen. Okay. What is causing this? Okay. So let's see. I hope now, because it's a bit frustrating, is consuming all these tokens, but or even one app, actually one simple app, we are having issue with. So I can see specifically the database table doesn't exist in your supervisor schema. This is causing. Okay, let me fix the database schema and ensure all record tables are properly created. Okay. All right, so we can try again, and hopefully it's gonna work this time. So I would click here for 400 transport, save that, and I still cannot see this, but let me see. Yeah, there was no issue whatsoever, but I can just go back, and if I can sign out, we'll see. This is light. This is a demo user, so I log out, and let's say sign up. Full name, email address. Okay, currency. You can choose your currency and all that. All right, so this one here, let me see. Okay, this is the code. All right. Okay, we'll do this one. preview, and okay, we are getting closer and closer, and hopefully, I'm really hoping this will be completed. Okay, if nothing else, it's just a simple app. Okay, so I'm really hoping this will be finished from start to finish. Okay, it's gonna be okay. I'm checking the Superbase tables, and the tables were created. So we have like two tables at the moment. All right, so it has finished the build. So what we can do, we can push it to Superbase, and I think it's all done. So I am really hoping it's gonna work. So we can do sign up, and I can just put my email here. So for example, I can just go here and I can copy this one here, email. This will be email. So I will type it here, Sam. Password will be like just a dummy account basically. So I will say like pass. So I will sign up, and it's been created. So what I can do, I can go here, sign in. Okay, so sign in failed, email not confirmed. Okay, I have to confirm my email address. So yeah, I got my email. Confirm your sign up. So I can confirm it. And basically, all right, so yeah. So if I sign in, okay, now I am signed in basically, but this is a demo app, I think. Let me see. Yeah, this is my account, but why I have all this data? So I can just go back. All right, so manage categories. This is food, preferences, and monthly limit is also not working. Notifications on and off, and so to go back, I just reload the screen here. Okay, so this is my account. I can log it out, log out, and now I can go here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I am logged in. Okay, so I have created a new account, but still I can see the dummy data. I like to know whether I have to publish this to see a better results or what it is. Okay, so I am basically trying to understand whether we have to publish this before we see like a proper functionality or what this. Okay, the issue is that your app is likely is showing a hard coded dummy data or not properly filtering data by to fix this. Let me fix the navigation data. Well, the thing is now I really want to fix this quickly because the tokens are running out now. So look at this. I am now almost done. And still, I mean, you can see how this now rocket.new works, but it's a bit expensive. You are building stuff, okay, but it's like back and forth. You have to fix all the errors, which actually, unfortunately, most YouTubers they don't show, okay, because maybe I mean, I'm not saying this is a bad app. The app is quite good, but it requires more than that, more than $25 per month, to be honest. Okay. you need to have basically, I think, 100 hours plan to build out like nice 2 to 3 solid apps. So this is what I consider. Okay, so I'm still working on it, and hopefully we are almost there. This is now 0 to 0 by 5. Okay, so this is a very bad news, but we will see. Okay, anyway, the aim for this video is actually to show you how to build apps using rocket.new. But you can see I had $25 plan, which is not sufficient. Okay, so it's cool. I mean, you can see like they have all these built-in integrations and all that, which is cool. But as I said, you need to go with a more solid plan. Okay, like more tokens to install on phone for iOS coming. Okay, so all right, so now we have all this data, and this is my account. The other problem is I cannot go back to the home screen. Okay, so let me see how many tokens I got. Okay, I still have some tokens, so I will say like when I am on home screen, let me see if there's any navigation here. There's no navigation. When I am on settings screen, there is no way for me to go back to home screen. Make sure fix this problem on all screens. Okay, so yeah, I mean you can even add more categories. If I go here, add a new category, so I will call this like travel. All right, so here it is. Yeah, the travel category was added. I mean, can you believe this? I have just like an hour ago, I have, I think less than an hour ago, I have taken this plan, which is $25 per month. Okay, and we already actually out of tokens, so your token limit will be refreshed on 15 or on February 17 basically. Okay, so today is 17th of January. So I mean $25 per month, not good enough. So you really have to get basically $100 per month plan if you want to build something far more better than this. Okay, but it works fine. It was building stuff. There is a preview screen, all that, but it's not what you see most of YouTube channels. They are showing in 15 minutes or 20 minutes because they are doing editing and all that. You can see there are so many issues with the screen. You have to go back and forth and fix all these issues. Okay, so before you get there, so that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you do, uh, please hit the like button because it really motivates me to actually make more videos. Okay, so thank you, and I will actually come up with a new video soon, and I am looking for a better alternative. I mean this is okay, but this is not really sufficient. Okay, so I will come up with something better, and so we can at least build a like like very good app physically in like 2 3 hours. Okay, so I really want to find that solution. So if you know any, let me know in the comment box. You take care. Thank you.